as you guys can tell, I'm not well. I'm not. I leave on Saturday and I'm like crying inside. Like, I'm actually really sad. I'm really sad. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a hot second, but you know, it's just been a long summer. I've been in London and it's been great. Honestly, I'm just stressed. Like, I'm not ready to leave. Like, going back home is stressing me out. I've changed, I guess. I don't know. I know you learn a lot about yourself and like what you can and can't handle, and you learn how to adapt to different things, because obviously things happen and like you just have to adjust and move on because you can't really do anything about it. Yeah, I'm not doing well. I'm honestly really sad about leaving. This banana bread is so good. That's one thing I'll really miss, is like the good food, because there's like no preservatives in anything. So everything's really good. I've also been shopping my heart out while I've been here. Like, every tiny inconvenience in my life, I'm like, alright, I know it will make me feel better. Shopping. So, my dumbass has to go buy another suitcase and check 2 bags and have a carry-on because I bought so much stuff that I literally have to buy another suitcase. I should have known that was going to happen, but whatever. I don't even know how I'm going to handle like carrying 3 suitcases at a giant airport, but you know, I'm going to have to deal with that when it comes. Like, every little inconvenience in my life, I'm like, alright, let's go shopping. And basically I own like the whole store of Brandy Melville now. It's been my vibe lately. My scrunchies from Brandy, my pants, you can't see them, but they're from Brandy. My room's a mess because literally like over there, that's literally like my desk. Like, there's stuff everywhere because I'm like trying to decide what I need to throw away or like what's worth like taking back with me. I have to do like the whole tax-free thing because I've gotten so much stuff here that like I can get the tax money back that like I spent here. So I'm gonna do that for like my Louis Vuitton bag and like a few pair of shoes that I've got, and just like random shopping trips, like I don't know, but I'm putting like all the stuff I bought in one giant suitcase, so when I get to the airport I can like show them proof of everything and then hopefully like get the tax money back. Very sad. Like, I feel like I don't even know how to drive anymore. Like, I haven't driven a car in like 2 months, a little over 2 months. This is depressing. I can never tell if anyone's here or not. So yeah, like my whole room situation. My room is very, very small. So basically, I got like actually really lucky because like on this whole floor, there's like doubles, and none of them like have their own bathrooms. The bathroom is like across the hall. But we got a room that's like on the end of the building, and I have 2 other roommates. I have my own room, and then the other 2 girls share a room, and we all share like a kitchen and a bathroom. Like, the size of my room is literally like a closet. Like, I'm not even kidding. But I am like very glad I got my own room. Birkenstocks in the background. Oh yeah, Birkenstocks are like so cheap here. I don't know. Certain things are like cheaper here and certain things like aren't. Basically, I just like I needed to like de-stress and like tell the world about how I'm like really sad about leaving. Not getting on the airplane, sorry. I don't even know. Like, the friends I've met here, like, I've been with them literally every single day. I've traveled with them, like, we are in the same class together, like, it's crazy. So it'll be really hard, like, saying goodbye to them, obviously. I don't know. We just, like, were forced to get super close in a short amount of time, and like, I don't know, it's different meeting people like while you're abroad, because they like actually truly get to know you. Like once you travel with someone, you like really know them, because I don't know, things just like always go wrong, so you see how they are in like times of stress, or like, I don't even know, it's like crazy. But yeah, it's gonna suck like not seeing them. We're probably gonna try and like visit each other. I don't know. It just sucks because like literally when I get home, I'm gonna have to unpack and repack again to move into my apartment. Like 2 weeks later, probably not even 2 weeks. So like it's just a lot, and like I have absolutely no motivation. Like I have an essay due on Friday, like the final essay, and it's worth half of our grade, and like the grading here is super like different. I think it's like really, really hard to get an A here, so that's been challenging. Yeah, I'm just like kind of giving up on life, trying to see everything I can before I leave, and like that along with packing and like cleaning and writing this paper, it's just like, it's really like hitting me that like it's over. It's nuts. I can't believe like 2 months has gone by already. It's cringy. But when I get back, I have like a bunch of videos planned. I want to talk about like my favorite places I went to in London, like must-see places that are like definitely picture worthy and Insta worthy. And then I want to talk about like specifically like the whole process of studying abroad, and like the ups and downs, the do's and don'ts, packing advice, because I definitely fucked up in that department. I definitely overpacked, even though like I should have known like I was gonna buy a shit ton of stuff here. Like I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, oh, maybe go shopping like once or twice. That's like the biggest lie of 2018 and every other year. Like I'm a shopaholic. Like that's what I literally did to cope with daily life here, is just like I shopped, specifically Brandy Melville. Like I don't know what it is about that store, but like there's like crack in the air or something. I don't know. Probably do like a huge haul of things I got while abroad. And then when I move into my apartment, I want to do an apartment tour, because my apartment's gonna be so cute. I'm excited. I just want the world to know that I'm not well, and I don't want to come back home. Ew, like I can't. Like I can't even imagine myself home right now like this. Like I've adapted to here so well. Like this is like, I feel like this is home. It's so weird. I guess I'll see you guys when I get home. I'm crying inside. It's disgusting to say. I am excited to see my cat though. I can like FaceTime my mom and like everyone else, but like my cat, like I can't. I miss it. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I'm back home, and I'll start uploading more frequently because I have tons of video ideas. Anyways, thanks for listening to me ramble. This is actually like a really pointless video, but you know, it's for my sanity. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.